Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel, man. Let me go ahead and get up in this thing. We got this something new. Wild berry splash drink. Over here we got the frosted biscuits. 2-in. Frosted biscuits right there. And we got the Campfire chicken. It's an okra and a biscuit. It's a lot of food, but let's get into these food, man. Let's go straight for the chicken, man. Let's go straight for the chicken. Take a look at it. Y'all see what it look like. Look good, look good. So let's go straight for the chicken. Grab a piece of that chicken real quick, man. Matter of fact, let's just go in for it. Let's just go one big old bite. Matter of fact, let's tell Wing though. We're gonna tell Wing though. Hold up. Okay, that's what it tastes like. That's good. I had this a couple years ago when it first came out, a couple years back. Still got good same taste to it. Chicken's so juicy though. That flavor is, I don't know what it is, but it's good. It's definitely on point. Definitely on point. The okra. That okra is, wow, that okra is good. Wow, man. Look at that. Look at that. Y'all know how biscuits is, man. Don't play with me, man. Best biscuits in the world. Oh, yeah. Let's wash it down with this drink. This berry blast. Very refreshing. I like the taste. It got a really good taste to it though. It's like real, like, you know, it tastes like berries, man. Like it's wild berry blast. I mean, that's what you get. You get what you see. Nice size too, nice size. Now let's try the last thing today. Let's try one of these, man. One of these frosted biscuits. I want to see what they taste like, man. Ooh, okay. Okay. Skip in there. Alright, let's see what it be like, man. Let's see what we working with. So we're working out, pull it out. Butcher. You're gonna break it, forget it. Wow. That's good. Tastes like a cake. They got like a cake taste to it. Wow, okay. I like that. That's real good. You got churches. Go get that. Go get that, man. Go get that. Go get all of it, man. It's so good. For real, for real. Chicken on point. All that. Everything on point. You know. But I don't know if y'all can see me or not, but maybe y'all can, maybe y'all can't. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I'm gonna edit this out though if y'all can't, but final rating. What I get this, and I have to probably give this 10 out of 10. Even score. Everything on point. Everything good. Hot, juicy. Hey, man, just on point, bro. Churches, though, man. You know, they pretty good. They come with it, man. They come with the items sometimes. You know, they never really disappoint. Not to me anyway. That's just my opinion, but what's yours? Anyway, man. Comment, like, and subscribe. Keep watching my videos, man. The next time, guys. Peace.